Hi there! If you're watching this video because you are planning to take an English exam, and one of the tasks you can be given during your written part is to write a complaint letter. So today we're going to learn how to write a perfect complaint letter. Let's start. When you're writing a letter of complaint, you need to bear in mind that it's a formal writing. So be careful to keep your register formal. Let's have a look at the structure of a complaint letter. The first paragraph of your letter will be opening paragraph, greeting. Here we should use the phrases like Dear Sir, Dear Madam, Dear Mr. or Mrs. plus a surname of person you are writing to. In case you don't know the name of the person you need to write to, you can use a phrase like to whom it may concern. To whom it may concern. The second paragraph of your letter will be the reason of your letter. So here you should write a reason why you are writing the letter. So you can use sentences like, I'm writing to complain about the product I have purchased or the service received in your establishment, in your restaurant or in your store. In the third paragraph of your letter, you need to provide more information. What happened? Why do you complain about this product? Why do you complain about this service you received? So, for example, you write, last Monday on the 19th of December, I purchased a laptop in your Digital World store. So you say that you purchase a product and now you need to describe what's the problem with this product. What's the issue? In this paragraph, you also should write what solution do you expect from the store owner? What do you want to achieve with your complaint? Do you want to get your money to be refunded or do you want the product to be replaced? Also, in this paragraph, you need to write down what are you going to do? What will you do in case you don't receive any answer back? So you've made a complaint. What else? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to receive? In case you don't receive anything back, what are you going to do? The fourth paragraph of your complaint letter will be a closing sentence. So here you can use a sentence like, I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. And then you need to write down a formal ending. You can't say, see you later, kisses. No, you need to write down regards or sincerely yours or your faithfully and your full name. When you write the letter of complaint, you need to bear in mind that it's a formal letter. It's a formal register. So in this case, we cannot use any contractions. We can't use isn't or haven't or doesn't or wouldn't or shouldn't. We can't say the laptop doesn't work. We should use is not, have not, does not or would not. We also can't use any colloquial expressions. We can't say, hi mate, I've got problem with my laptop. No, it should be a formal register. Neither can we use idioms. We can't say drop me a line or it's not my cup of tea. For example, you bought a laptop, you don't like it anymore, you want to give it back and you said, I bought this laptop, but it's not actually my cup of tea. It's quite nice expression, but you can't use it in a formal complaint letter if you want to get higher score. And also remember, if you want your letter to sound more logical and more easier to understand, use connectors. And if you want to get higher score, I recommend you to use connectors, such as given that, furthermore, however, in addition. If you want to get more information about linking words and connectors, watch out my video. I hope you've enjoyed the video. For more videos, follow my channel.